Hey guys, welcome back to another cryptocurrency news article. This one comes from Crypto Potato and mass layoffs at Binance question mark. The company admits to reevaluating its roles. So yeah, Binance could let go of up to 20% of its current workforce in June, but refuses to call its resource allocation plans a right sizing. Now, I remember during all of those mass layoffs, so they're still going on, but Binance was one of those companies that didn't do it. They positioned themselves right, but now it looks like they're going to be reevaluating roles and doing a couple layoffs themselves. But yeah, let's go over this article. Binance, the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange, has confirmed that it's reevaluating its talent base following an external report that the firm plans to lay off roughly 20% of its workforce next month. The report presents a stark contrast to Binance's position of strength last year, having stood out among industry leaders for continuing to expand during the bear market. Now, Binance to cut workers. On Wednesday, popular Chinese crypto reporter Colin Wu said he confirmed with multiple sources that Binance had begun to lay off workers. Though the current proportion remains uncertain, estimates suggested that the number of fired employees could be as high as 20% of Binance's 8,000 people workforce. Now, some departments are still continuing to recruit, clarified by Wu. The layoffs may be related to the poor overall market and the large expansion before. And nearly 1 year ago, Binance CEO Changpeng Zhao boasted that the exchange was sitting on a healthy war chest thanks to relatively frugal spending during the previous year's bull market. Now, unlike rival exchanges such as Coinbase and Crypto.com, which were cutting their headcount, Binance confirmed that it would be hiring over 2,000 employees at the time. Now, not a right sizing. Apparently, things haven't changed on the front. In a message to Crypto Potato on Wednesday, a Binance spokesperson maintained that the firm is still seeking out new talent to fill hundreds of open roles. Now, as we prepare for the next major bull cycle, it has become clear that we need to focus on talent density across the organization to ensure we remain nimble and dynamic. The spokesperson said that this is not a case of right sizing, but rather reevaluating whether we have the right talent and expertise in critical roles. Now, the representative added that the company would look into certain products and business units to ensure its resources were allocated properly. Binance's chief communication officer, Patrick Hillman, also stressed that the company was not enacting a 20% layoff as a cost cutting measure. Rather, it's part of a talent density audit and resource allocation exercise the company conducts on a cyclical 6-month basis. Now, we have amazing talent at Binance, and we will continue to retain and hire more top talent, he added. Here is this tweet from Patrick Hillman. Like previous exercises, this will be done after several teams, including HR, risk, and operations, finalize that talent density audit. There is no specific number, just directions on where we need to streamline. This has frankly been part of Binance's secret sauce. And now we have an amazing talent at Binance, and we will continue to retain and hire more top talent. When we do have to part ways with an employee, they immediately become a high value target for recruiters across the globe with clients looking to explore digital assets. Now, despite slowing business activity last year, major crypto companies like Coinbase and Block reported sizable quarter-to-quarter revenue improvements in Q1 of 2023 as the crypto market bounced well away from its November lows. So yeah, so some companies out there are doing quite well this quarter now. So after that harsh 2022 year, things are slowly going back up. But again, we're still not at the next bull cycle yet, but these guys are preparing for it. And again, when can that happen? Potentially closer to the end of 2024. And that's the Sherpa's guess on that because of the Bitcoin halving should be taking place then. And if you take a look at the charts during the previous, is it 3-4 halvings with Bitcoin? It's usually that year after, towards the end of the year after that halving, when prices reach their own new all-time highs. But yeah, that's just going off charts. And again, history sure doesn't repeat itself, but it sure does rhyme. So it's a nice way to look at it. But yeah, so that's the mass layoffs happening at Binance, and it's just a nice reevaluating exercise for them. But if you guys enjoyed the article, smash that thumbs up for me, subscribe to the channel, and until next time, the Crypto Sherpa is out.